Only 5% of entry-level analysts ace this compliance quiz. What protects data from unauthorized viewing? Which CIA pillar ensures data privacy? What regulation protects EU citizens' data? Which law safeguards patient medical records? What restricts access to required tasks? Which compliance standard secures credit cards? What document details data handling rules? What dictates log retention timeframes? What hides data stored at rest? Which act requires corporate financial accuracy? What proves who accessed a file? What process confirms a user's identity? What limits access to sensitive files? Which record tracks security breaches? What masks sensitive data in databases? Which CIA component prevents data leaks? What secures data sent over internet? Which law protects financial consumer data? What ensures compliance with retention policies? Which framework focuses on ground service organizations. What redacts sensitive info in documents? What policy mandates clearing your workspace? What stops unauthorized data exfiltration? What record shows firewall rule changes? Which regulation protects student education records? What verifies compliance with security policies? What secures passwords in a database? What limits viewing to specific personnel? What destroys physical records securely? What tracks login success and failure? What helps detect unauthorized access attacks? What prevents unauthorized data viewing? What document proves regulatory compliance? What encrypts the entire hard drive? What manages cryptographic keys securely? What prevents shoulder surfing attacks? What logs web traffic for compliance? What classifies data by sensitivity level?